I'm going to jump in my account and go to contacts, fields, and I reshot this video. So add field, and then 1 week opens, 1 month opens, 6 month opens, just text inputs is fine. And then come to automations and go to open engagement. And effectively all we're going to do is add in a condition and workflow, math, 1 week opens, add 1 save. 1 month opens, add 1 save. And 6 month opens, add 1 save. Now wait a week. We're going to remove 1 from a week. 1 week opens, subtract 1 save. Now I'm going to wait 23 days. Define your month. If you use 1 month, now you're at 5 weeks. So that's kind of the downside. You could trigger multiple automations that all start after the add steps, and then they wait in those, but that's, I think, overkill for what we're doing here. So I'm going to wait 23 days. That makes for a 30-day month. And then say subtract 1 month. And then I'm going to do a wait of 5 months. And go to 6 month opens, subtract 1 save. So what we've done is they're going to open an email and make sure this is multiple times. Somebody might be in here 25 or 30 different times, right? If they open an email every day for a month, like they could be in here a bunch of times. They're going to update the fields, and then it's going to add. Somebody was messaging me. Anyway, so I'm going to, they're going to open an email, update last contact field, update last engaged, and then add to 1 week opens, add to 1 month opens, add to 6 month opens. Wait for a week, subtract 1 from 1 week opens. Wait 23 days, subtract 1, wait 5 months, subtract 1. Now, if they open the same email 5 times, they're going to go through this 5 different times. That's the downside of the way this is built. There's not a, you could get really granular with like, open this email and it's a one-time flow and you use like a single automation for each email. But that's, to me, that's overkill depending on what you're trying to do with this. If you're looking at this at the 1 level, you're going to be really difficult. If you want to just see it at like 25 versus 50, you're going to have more accuracy there, or more bulk accuracy, aggregate accuracy, if you will. So that's all this does. Now, if we take and I go to a contact and I open up this test guy right here, and these are all empty. I'm going to add him back to open engagement again. Boom. And if we refresh this once or twice, you'll see ones. There you go. So he's got all these ones, right? So if I say open a new tab so I can see his journey here. So he came in, this was updated, add to 1 week opens, add to 1 month opens, add to 6 month opens, wait for a week. Now I'm going to pass a week. Okay, a week's gone by. Bam. Subtract 1 from 1 week opens. So now, if I refresh this, his 1 weeks will be 0. And then if I say, oh, 23 days just went by. Now he's got 1 month open to 0. And if I say, oh, 5 months just went by. And sitting in the same shirt for 6 months just to shoot this video for you. I'm joking. You got a 0 here. So that's how that would work. Now, the other question is segment this out. So to segment this, go to contacts, go to lists. I hope you only have 1 list. I'm not going to get into that conversation right now, but the fewer lists, the better. And I'm going to say 1 week opens. Yeah, more than 5. I created this in that prior video. Create segment, and When it opens, greater than 5. Save. That's not going to have anybody because there's nobody in there. But if I go to my contacts and I just manually contacts, refresh, come on, computer. If I just go set this guy 1 week opens to 12, save, close that tab out, go back to lists, segments, not new, more, sorry. There would now be 1 contact in here. Boom, because he's over 12 now. Or he's over 5, he's 12 now. So that covers that. If you need any help or want to chat with me about projects or need any help with anything, there's a link below, findlostrevenue.com. Have a good one. See you soon.